What's popping, fashionistas? Welcome back to Moya Smiles. Today, I want to talk about something that I've been talking about for weeks now, which is building a sustainable long-term closet. I'm going to be talking about building a solid winter closet. The items that I think are important to have in your winter closet and things that don't go out of style, things that you can wear from winter to winter if you buy quality items, and just kind of making sure that those are the things that will stay consistent. I honestly think that this specific item, this first item that I'm going to mention, deserves its own entire video because it's such a versatile item. It is such an important thing to have in your closet, and that is a black turtleneck. Guys, I cannot tell you how many times the black turtleneck has saved my life on these streets. It's something that I absolutely love, and I know some people might not exactly appreciate them because of their body type, but I think for the most part these actually look good on most body types. They come in very, very handy in a lot of different styling, and having this in your closet is something that you should absolutely consider when it comes to building a solid capsule closet. So you can style a turtleneck in many different ways, and one of my favorite use cases for a turtleneck is layering. It's a really good layering material, and I've started in so many different ways, and one of my favorite ways is just putting it under a vest, either a knit vest or a tailored vest. It works perfectly, and I'm going to be showing some of my past styling here. It's one of those things that you can put under a dress as well. You have like maybe a sleeveless dress, and you just kind of put dress over the turtleneck, and it creates such a nice like silhouette in the winter. It's very stylish. It looks great. You can wear it with pants as well. You can put a top over it as well. You can put it, sometimes I've had situations where I have a sweater, like a round neck sweater, or even like a mock neck sweater that I would wear my black turtleneck under and just kind of put it, and then I roll up the sleeves to create this whole color blocking effect that I'm always crazy about every time I do it. So number one is a black turtleneck. Number two that I have mentioned in my previous videos that I've also styled in different ways is a good round neck sweater. Round neck sweaters are very, very versatile. They're very stylish. They're a stylish bunch. I mean, you can get this in, I'll start off with neutral colors, just so you can pair those very easily with other items in your closet. Once you have the neutral colors like black and beige and brown or whatever on lockdown, and even white, you can now start moving up into other colors. One of my favorite ways to style a round neck sweater is to put a button down shirt underneath, so that's a good layering technique. And then I put the round neck sweater over the button down shirt with the colors kind of popping up, and it's one of my favorite winter or fall styles. You can then add like a blazer and then add a coat if it's super cold and you want to layer. Because I live in California, I don't have to do too much layering, but it's a good way to add multiple layers to what you're wearing if you live in a cold place. You can also kind of make them cropped. You can roll them up to be cropped. You can leave them down. You can make sure it's underneath to fly. There's just so many different ways for a round neck sweater, and I would recommend that as the second item you should have in your capsule closet. On this channel, I believe that everyone is a fashionista, and my goal is to empower you to bring out the best fashionista and you're showing up in the world in the best possible way you can. It's an exciting time to be subscribed to my channel, as I am currently going through a style evolution, which I absolutely want to share with you, and I would love for you to be a part. And the way you can be a part of that is by subscribing, so you get to see my journey, you get to be a part of it, and hopefully I inspire you and your style. Item number 3 would be black leggings. Get yourself a solid pair of leggings. And I mean solid and good quality. It took me a while to actually find good quality. The ones I have right now are from ASOS. They're pretty good quality. I also got some from Mango that are also good quality. And by good quality, something that's not see-through, something that the thread count is like super solid and it can take so many different washes, because this is something that you put through so many rotations in the winter. I know that because I constantly have my black leggings in the rotation. So I especially love that because it's also a good layering item. You can definitely just wear it by itself. You can put like pantyhose underneath and wear it on top of the pantyhose for more layers, and then you can even put like a pair of jeans over that for even another addition of layer. I don't need that where I live, but if that's something you want to do, you can totally do that. And I love black leggings because I can put like an oversized sweater on top of it. I can put like a plaid shirt that would look like super nice. I style something related there. And then you can also like regular sweater on top of it as well. There's just so many like countless ways that you can style a pair of leggings. So especially a black pair. That's the item number 3 you should have in your winter or fall closet. Fourth item is a vest. Yes, I love vests. I love vests. And they come in different ways, different forms, shapes, and sizes. You have a tailored vest or a knitted vest, round neck, V-necks, oversized, cropped, so many different styles of vests that you can actually like pair with your ensemble. And you know what I love about vests is that you can either wear them alone or combine them with what you're already wearing. So like you will see me wear my black turtleneck and put a vest over it, or wear a shirt like a button down shirt and put a vest over it. You can wear the vest by itself and put a blazer on top, or there's just so many different ways that you can style a vest, and it just adds an added layer. It's something that helps you go from I just wore clothes to I am actually a fashionista. Like it's a complete like change when you add a vest to your outfit. I typically will start off with getting like neutral colors like black and beige, or I'm not sure about white, but gray is a good one. Like for a knitted gray sweater is a good one. And there's a place for tailored and there's a place for knitted. So the knitted ones, typically you bring those out during the winter. I wear my tailored vests all year round because they also look nice by themselves. So like wearing a tailored vest with like a nice short skirt, oops, you've got me. And like I found that they also look really nice with like a nice skater skirt and all of that. So that's something that you should totally consider having in your winter capsule closet. This is the last but definitely not the least item, and I think we're gonna have a bonus item for the end. Keep watching to find out what the bonus item is. But the last but not the least item is a good black coat. A solid, probably potentially structured coat, long line, is something that you don't want to miss out on, because like this is also very versatile during the cold weather. It's stylish. You can wear it with like a dressy dress or like casual outfits. You can put it over your shoulder. It's a nice black coat, and I would say you should look for a wool coat because those are often better quality and will last a long time. Like nobody ever throws away a good quality black coat in their closet because it's always going to come back in season, something that you're going to need. They never go out of style. So I would say I keep a black coat in my car. I have one in my closet. So like I have like at least 2 or 3 different types of black coats that I wear, and those always come in handy. And drum rolls for the bonus item is what I'm wearing right now, and I'm gonna stand up so you can see me, is this nice sweater dress. Well, not this one specifically, but like a nice sweater dress. I love sweater dresses. I will always be an advocate for sweater dresses. Like they are convenient, They're easy. You don't have to think of, okay, what do I pair with this, because they already like come in like clutch by themselves. So I have a ton of sweater dresses in my closet, and you can layer them as well. You can put like pantyhose or tights underneath them, put a jacket over it, and stuff. I would say that these are probably more transitional from fall to winter. Sometimes it gets super cold for a dress, but also like if you're gonna be staying indoors, like maybe you're going for like a dinner or something, then you're gonna be indoors most of the time. You can just have a coat and take that off when you're inside. So sweater dresses, yay, they're great. I have different colors. I'm wearing a black one. I especially like this one. I have it in my past haul, my Real Hauts haul. If you haven't seen that, check it out. I especially love the neckline of this one that I'm wearing. It's a sweater dress with a twist, and the bell sleeves are giving me so much life. So you should have a sweater dress, at least one in your closet. If you can, multiple ones would be great. I have come to the end of this video. Let me know if you want me to do any other types of videos. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this useful, please thumbs up and subscribe so I can see more of you. See you guys next time. Bye.